Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Yeah. Oh, y'all. Tonight we having smothered chicken burritos, baby. And I hope you in for the night, because these bad boys finna have you laid all the way back. This everything you need right here. Shredded lettuce, a taco seasoning pack, red bell peppers, cilantro, garlic, chopped onions, some lime for your cilantro lime rice. Get the big tortillas. This is 12-inch right here. Got your avocado, white rice, and some chicken breasts. First, we're going to get this cilantro lime rice working. You want to start by washing your rice. I already washed this rice. Put it in a mesh strainer, let the water run through until the water runs clear. Then you know your rice is clean. Get it in a pot with some butter. A lot of people like to just go ahead and start with the water. Just go ahead and fill it up with water and get the boiling. Set it and forget it. And I'm not mad at that. I like that technique. But right now I'm going to do this one right here. We're going to get some butter in here. We're going to saute the rice a little bit. Move your rice to the side because we're going to get this garlic in here. I'm telling you, if you want to kick that flavor notch up about 10 notches on your rice, get you some sauteed garlic in your rice. Oh my God, y'all, so much better. Throw you some salt in there and you good to go. Just saute this up until you start to smell the garlic and the butter starts to melt. You'll know when. I'm gonna get a little house seasoning in here now. It's a little mixture of seasonings I put together that came out so perfect I had to bottle it up, y'all. Had to. So I'm gonna put this in here. You can season yours with whatever you want. You can really just throw a little salt in there with that garlic. It's gonna be super flavorful. Yeah, but I just want a little more kick to mine today. So I'm going to put that house seasoning in there. I'm going to stir this up a little bit, saute it up a little bit. Like I said, till you smell the garlic and till the butter melts. And you're going to get your water in here. Now, cooking rice ain't everybody's thing. All you really got to do is follow the directions on the back of the bag. That's all you got to do. It'll come out perfect every time. It's like 2 to 1 or something. 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Or you could use the finger method. Put about this much water over the rice. You can move the pot to the side. See how much water you got over the rice. About 1.5 inches. It'll come out great every time. I'm telling you. So you're just going to let this boil. Let it come to a rapid boil. Let them flavors mix up. That garlic, all that seasoning. And you're going to put your top on. Set it aside, keep it on low, let that water cook out of there. It's going to be perfect every time. Now we're going to start these refried beans. I'm going to saute me up some onions and some jalapenos. Give me some seasonings in here. Baby, we're not finna take these beans out the can and throw it right in the microwave. No, ma'am. We finna make these beans. We finna cook these beans, baby. They already cooked, but we finna season them up. We finna get them right for this burrito. So I'm not finna have me no burrito without no fried beans, okay? So I got me my pickled jalapeno. Yes, I could have used a fresh jalapeno, but it's something about these jalapenos in the can with them carrots. Oh my God, they got the perfect spice, the perfect texture. I am finna take these seeds out of here though. I'm not about to play with these seeds. You can leave them in if you want to. But last time I left them in, they wasn't playing with me, okay? So we taking these out of here. I'm going to chop up this little jalapeno. I'm going to throw it in these sauteed onions. We're going to saute them up for a minute. We don't want to get them too mushy, though. We like a little texture in our beans. The beans are already mushy, so we're going to have a little texture in them. We ain't going to get the onions too mushy or the jalapenos. We're going to have a little crunch when we bite into the beans. So yeah, just toss the pan a little bit. Get your beans in there. And honestly, these beans already had a few jalapenos in them, y'all. So this finna be spicy. This finna be good. Get that house seasoning in there. Yes, y'all, I'm putting this much. And yes, I'm putting it on everything. They call it the house seasoning because it go on everything that's cooked in the house, y'all. Everything. So, yeah, I mean, I might put the ingredients in the description. Let y'all in on a little secret, all right? Then you're going to put some chili powder in them beans. You're going to put them towards the end just so you can have that flavor still lingering. I'm going to give me some oil on my griddle, y'all. Y'all know I love this damn griddle. Let me give me some chicken on here. Y'all brine this chicken in salt water. That's probably the best brine you could do. The cheapest and the best brine you could do for your chicken. Throw that mug in some salt water for about an hour, hour and a half. It's going to come out so good. Yes, I'm throwing some house seasoning on here. But this ain't the only season going on this chicken. This chicken about to be seasoned, smothered, and good as hell. So don't worry about how white it's looking right now. Because it won't be like that for long, baby. And honestly, I'm just kind of darkening it up on both sides just so I can cut it in little squares. You know what I'm saying? I really honestly do not like cutting raw chicken. If you just darken it up a little bit on both sides, cook it on both sides, it don't even got to be cooked in the middle. And honestly, that's for any meat. Any meat. You about to cook a chuck roast, I don't know, a chicken breast, a chicken thigh, any type of meat, honestly. A pork chop. If you about to put it in the oven or put anything in the crock pot, brown your meat first. Brown your meat first. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later. It just makes the texture so right. It holds the seasonings and the juices inside. I don't know, y'all. Just brown your meat first and then throw it or do in the oven or do whatever you was gonna do with it. So anyway, I'm gonna chop up this chicken, y'all. Just give me some little squares, some nice little chunks. I'm gonna end up cooking it down so much, I don't want to make the chunks so small. I still want some nice big pieces of chicken. So once everything cooked down, at the end, you'll still have you some nice pieces of chicken. Damn, and I forgot to sharpen my damn knife before this video, because this thing is dull. But it's all good, we working with it. We're slicing this chicken up, we're gonna get it in here, we're gonna saute it for a minute, and we're gonna get this taco seasoning in here, get it smothered. Yeah. Okay, we got the chicken cut up and all in the skillet. We about to saute that up a little bit. We're finna throw some red bell peppers up in here for a little color, a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? Saute that up a little bit, mix that up a little bit, let that cook. We're gonna get a little color on this meat before we throw the seasoning pack up in there. So we got a little color on that meat, that red that got into that chicken. We're gonna cook that down a little bit. We're gonna get this taco seasoning pack in there. A lot of y'all don't be reading the back of this pack. You gotta add water to this. You gotta add water, let it cook down, add some more water when that cook down. You might have to do it about 3 times, then add some more water when that cook down, but add some more seasoning. The seasoning pack is good, but I'm definitely adding some more seasoning. I brined my chicken. I'm gonna add some more seasoning to this, because once you cook it down 3 times and that water done came in there, I mean, some of your seasoning probably done cooked down with it. And cooked into the chicken as well, but just add some more seasoning, because that water gonna make it bland. It's looking like this. I told y'all it wasn't gonna be too white for too long. It's looking like this. It still got some time to go though. I'm gonna let it cook for about an hour and 15 minutes to be honest. Just keep putting that water in there every time it cook down. It's starting to look like this. Y'all, it's gonna be good. But I want my chicken to be very, very tender. You know, chicken tend to have this little tough type of rubbery taste and texture if you don't cook it all the way down. And that's what we're not gonna have, okay? We're gonna cook this down. It's gonna be tender and juicy. That water gonna turn into like a sauce. I told y'all it's gonna be like burrito chicken. Everything's just gonna come together. The seasoning's gonna cook into that chicken. It's gonna be tender. Look at that. It's gonna be good, y'all. So good, so juicy. All right, I'm finna get my 12-inch tortilla. Make sure y'all get the big tortillas. It say burrito on the pack. Don't get the small ones. You're gonna be mad as hell when you get home and gotta make some tacos. I done did that before. Just get the big tortillas. This is a 12-inch right here. So I'm finna pull everything close to me. I got my rice right here. I got my chicken right there. Y'all, this cilantro lime rice came out so good. Okay, all I did after it was done cooking, all the water cooked out, I fluffed up the rice, got me some lime juice, put some lime juice in there. I got my cilantro that I chopped up, got that in there, fluffed that through that rice, and it's done, y'all. So good. I'm going to put the recipe in the description. Don't worry about that. All this going to be in the description, step by step, so y'all can make these burritos at home, because they good. Stop going to Taco Bell, stop going wherever you going, Chipotle, all that. Just make this at home. Then you'll still have some of the ingredients for the next week, or whenever else you want to make it. Come on, man. Gotta get my avocado. Look how perfect that avocado came out. If you know, you know. When you cutting that avocado and you don't see no brown, oh, baby, it's going down. So go ahead and squeeze your avocado in here. We ain't gonna full on make no guacamole. I ain't got no tomatoes or none of that, but we're just gonna get the house seasoning. You already know the vibe. We're gonna get the house seasoning on there. We're just gonna smash this avocado up so we can get in that burrito. Okay, let's go. You're going to get your beans down first. Spread them out nice and smooth. Oh, this going to be your base. It's going to have everything sticking together perfect. Then after that, you're going to get you some rice. Go and put that rice down. You know you eat your rice with your beans, so we're going to put them together. Go and put your rice down. Let that cilantro all throughout that rice. Look at them limes over there, y'all. Oh, I can smell the lime. I even put lime zest in here. Make sure you get you zest to put you some lime zest up in there, y'all. So good. I can literally smell the lime. Then you're going to get you some of that chicken, some of that burrito chicken, y'all. Ooh, it came out so tender. You see, I still got nice big chunks of chicken. So when you bite your burrito, you still going to have nice chunks of chicken. That's from cutting it big. Make sure you cut nice big chunks. You're going to get you some cheese on there. Get you some little more cilantro. I love cilantro. Some people think it tastes like soap. I don't got them type of taste buds. I don't know what's going on. But I love me some cilantro. I'm going to give me some of that. Avocado on here, that smashed avocado. Just get everything in a line. Don't put it all over the tortilla. Don't do none of that. Just put everything in one line on top of each other. I'm going to give me some more cheese on here. Give me some shredded lettuce. And we're going to start folding this thing up. So turn it long ways. Fold it this way first. Make sure you tuck in them sides as you go. Do a nice little roll. And you're going to fold right there. Fold over there. Pull that in like that. And make sure while you rolling, you tucking. It's all about the tuck. Tuck and roll, baby. Tuck and roll. You might get a few holes, a few pockets, which is all right. But this right here is damn near perfect, y'all. Look at that fold. Look at that tuck and that roll. Yeah, I got me a little hole right here, a little pocket. That's because it's fat. I put a lot of stuff in here, and that's all right. Let's smash that in like that. Do that like that. I'm finna grill them anyway. You ain't even gonna notice that part. Yeah. Okay, we back. I threw a little salted butter on that griddle. Put these beautiful burritos flat down. Let them cook for about 5 minutes, 4 minutes on each side. They about to be so golden brown and toasty and roasty, y'all. Ooh, they finna be so good. I'm finna cut through the middle of this and see all this cheese and beans and chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, come on. Hey, eat. I was excited, y'all, for real. I'm still excited. I already ate the shit. Yeah, these gonna come out perfect every time. Look, stick with me. I'm gonna show you the way. Perfect golden brown, perfect burrito. Nothing falling out. Look, stop going to Chipotle. Stop going to Taco Bell. What's even in there, y'all? Come on, man. Enough of that. Let's get into it. See what we got in here. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going down. Y'all make these at home. I'm going to have the full recipe in the description, step by step. Y'all, come on now. Look at these bad boys. And that cheese pull was crazy. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. More recipes on the way, y'all. Hey, she in the kitchen. And she whipping.